According to a survey of 6,500 homeowners, 40% were planning a renovation project over the next year, and the rooms most frequently targeted for improvement are bedrooms, kitchens, and bathrooms. Barbara and Sony purchased a 15-year-old house in the Fort Lauderdale area about a year ago.
We decided to buy this house knowing that there were things we wanted to change because it was in the perfect location. It had good bones. The original bathroom was hideous. It was old, it was outdated.
So we changed the small tile to the large marble tiles. We changed the long vanity into individual his and hers vanities. We changed the tub and shower area into a large shower area with raindrop shower heads and benches that we both get to use. I love our new shower.
The couple enlisted the help of Renuity to complete their renovation.
We like working with Renuity. From the time they came to us, they helped us to identify exactly what we want, draw it out, put it on paper, and then helped us bring it to life.
If you're dreaming of a new bathroom and want to add solar panels, need to replace your windows, gutters, roof, or HVAC, or tackle other home improvement projects, Modernize Home Services has technology to connect you to local contractors, like Renuity, who are best suited to meet your needs. How do you properly vet contractors, and what questions should you be asking?
Homeowners go to the website and complete a short form about the work they need done. The questions there are anything from the timeline when the project needs to be completed to the scope of the work involved, whether it's a full remodel or a partial remodel. That, along with their contact information, which the contractors will use to get in touch and provide the estimate on their work. We recommend homeowners request the contact information from the last 3 projects the contractor completed. Homeowners should always ask to see proof of insurance from their home improvement contractor. People can go to modernize.com to read reviews about their contractor. We really recommend that homeowners go to the Better Business Bureau to check to see if there's any open, active complaints against the contractor they're talking with. Not every bad review means that the contractor did a bad job. Sometimes there's unreasonable homeowner expectations, and those should be discussed with your contractor before outright deciding not to work with them based on a single review. Demand, supply shortages, worker shortages, all leading to a delay in how long it takes for homeowners to see their projects completed. So homeowners should know that. It is our advice to order and have on hand all the materials needed for the project before you begin the work. There's nothing worse than starting a bath remodel only to find that the sink is not available for another 4 weeks, but yet your bathroom is half torn apart. Seasonality definitely plays a role. That said, contractors tend to slow down at certain times of the year, and sometimes they'll be more excited to squeeze your project into those slow times because they need to keep their crew busy. If you're flexible on the timing, offer that to the contractor. That might help you both land at a better price or a better schedule. Keep an eye out for 3 warning signs. 1, anyone who's demanding a large amount of money or the entire cost of the project up front. 2, anyone who demands or puts excess pressure on you to sign the contract right away. And 3, really question any of the pricing information that is significantly higher or lower than the other estimates you've received. Assuming all the materials are similar or the same, there shouldn't be too much variation in the actual cost of the project. The most important piece when hiring a contractor is the interpersonal relationship, the communication, and the trust.
Advice that I would give to other homeowners is to really do their homework, to take the time, don't rush it, and find a company that makes you feel comfortable.
To find contractors like Renuity to complete your next home improvement project, or to receive additional advice to manage your project, go to modernize.com to get started. For more information, visit designingspaces.tv.